This might change how you think about factory security forever. Factories are often vulnerable to risks like equipment theft, operational downtime, and safety hazards. But what if you could secure your facility, protect your workforce, and optimize your operations all at once? Stick around as we explore how ACTi's cutting-edge solutions make all this possible. Factory safety starts with comprehensive surveillance. ACTi's 64-channel support includes free licenses for all channels, offering real-time 32MP resolution streaming and simultaneous recording for up to 64 channels. Whether monitoring production lines, storage areas, or employee entry points, ACTi ensures full coverage of your facility. Critical data deserves the best protection. ACTi's built-in hardware RAID supports RAID 0, 1, 5, 6, and 10, offering up to 128 terabytes of secure storage. Safeguard production footage, equipment monitoring records, and facility logs with a system designed to minimize data loss and downtime. Smarter monitoring for safer factories. ACTi's AI capabilities detect and track individuals, vehicles, and behaviors. From identifying unauthorized access on production floors to tracking vehicle movements at facility gates, it ensures no detail is missed. Incident investigation is faster than ever. With ACTi's AI search functionality, you can retrieve critical footage using region of interest or metadata filters. Track down production anomalies, identify safety violations, and investigate accidents swiftly and effectively. Be prepared for any emergency. ACTi integrates with IoT sensors and alarms to detect and respond to incidents like fires, break-ins, or equipment malfunctions. Automated alerts keep you one step ahead in safeguarding your facility and employees. Instant communication simplified. ACTi supports remote PTZ camera operation and two-way audio through IP speakers. Whether coordinating with on-site teams during emergencies or issuing real-time instructions to production staff, you're always in control. Don't compromise on factory security. Click the link below to explore ACTi's innovative solutions designed for factories. From safeguarding production lines to protecting your workforce, our technology delivers peace of mind and operational efficiency. Take charge of your factory's safety and future. Act now.